Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a basic canvas tent using Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 6x6 plate. Along the top sides, I'm going to place a set of 1x1 plates with holder. Just set these right here. Then I'm going to place down a set of 1x2 flat tiles. This is going to fill in this holes on the sides, and you guessed it, 4 more 1x1 plates with holder. Place those right there. These are going to be used to attach the sides of our basic canvas tent. Now we're going to start forming up the sides. Let's take a 2x6 plate, and I'm going to take several 2x2 by 2/3 plate with bow. We're going to place these along one side of our 2x6 plate. Then 3 2x4 flat tiles. We're going to set these right in this 1x6 opening. Then after that, I'm going to slide in a 1x6 plate right here. Now I want to flip this assembly over. Then I'm going to take a set of 2x2 modified plate with a stick on the bottom. I'm going to place it to where the stick is right there. I'm going to need to take 2 of these and just set these right in this void. And we're going to make 2 of these. And I'm going to take the bottom portion of our tent. I'm going to place these right inside these clips. Just pinch that right in there. And then we're going to take the other one. Place this in here too. To fold these up for a very basic canvas tent.